sir. Today, I will briefly discuss the major components of the polygraph, commonly known as the lie detector. It is an instrument used to record physiologically responses such as breathing, blood pressure, and skin reaction during questioning. The first component of polygraph, pneumograph. The pneumograph measures the breathing pattern of a person. Tube placed around the chest and abdomen record changes in respiration during the test. The second component, cardiopneumograph or cardiograph. The cardiopneumograph measures the blood pressure and pulse rate using a cuff placed on the arm. Third, the galvanograph or galvanic skin response. The galvanograph measures the skin's electrical conductivity, which changes when a person sweats due to stress or nervousness. And the fourth or lastly of components, chemograph. The chemograph is the recording device that produces the charts showing the physiological reaction measured during the polygraph examination. And the polygraph works by recording physiological responses through its main components, the pneumograph, cardiopneumograph, galvanograph, and chemograph. These components work together to measure and record the body reaction during a polygraph examination. And that's all. Thank you.